Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Make.com scenarios for Stripe and Google Sheets Sync. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Make.com. Log into your Make.com account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the Scenarios tab in the dashboard. Select Create a new scenario to start setting up your integration. In the scenario editor, click on the big plus button to add your first module. Search for Stripe in the module search bar and select it from the list. Choose the action you want to perform, such as watch events to track new transactions. Connect your Stripe account by following the authentication prompts. Once connected, choose the specific Stripe event you want to monitor. Click the plus button again to add your second module. Search for Google Sheets in the module search bar and select it. Choose the action you wish to perform, like create a spreadsheet row. Connect your Google account by following the prompts to grant access. Select the specific Google Sheets file and the worksheet where you want to sync the data. Map the necessary fields from the Stripe event to corresponding columns in Google Sheets. After mapping, click OK to confirm your selections. Now, set the schedule for how often the scenario should run. You can choose between options like every 15 minutes or once a day. Once everything looks good, click on the Save button. Finally, toggle the scenario to on to activate your sync. Monitor the scenario's performance in the dashboard to ensure it's working as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.